just very excited to be part of this ESG event organized by tailors today. I think this event is extremely insightful. It really helps a brand like us to reach out to a lot of people, creating the awareness, the importance for not just environmental but socially as well as the governance. And I think this is a great initiative.
We joined this ESG Festival organized by Taylor Universities. We are very, very grateful because given this opportunity to be here, and the event is so awesome, I should say. It's perfectly, so nicely organized, and it gives us the perfect opportunity for us to create awareness among the students, the importance, the roles and the significance of social enterprise in building the nation.
The corporate clients here today learned a lot, as well as the students, so it's a really great job. I think this festival should be continued on next year and also many years more to come, with more other corporate companies from other industries to come and share what are the practices and their frameworks, what they're doing in their companies. So it's really a great sharing session.
I think it's a good platform to expose the partner into what is ESG about. It's a good platform to expose the student to ESG before they onboard into their real job world.
We have a lot of insightful information actually shared by our panelist member and also student as well as staff. So we hope to keep the momentum going and congratulate to the teams, the organizer who are actually organizing this ESG Carnival event.
I think it's important and it's good that Taylor's University is embarking on this ESG journey, and that more and more students will be aware of this framework and learn about this, and they know when they apply to work in the future, they will be more intentional about the jobs that they do, and I think that's a good start.